Hello and welcome a káàbọ̀ to this lesson. Today I'm going to show you some phrases that you can use when you want to question something in Yoruba. Be mindful of these, so if you're using it to question something like your parents have asked you to do, they might find it quite rude, so just be careful. Let's get into it. Kílódé. Why? Kílódé, why? So this is very basic. You can use it in this sentence. Kílódé tí o ṣe bẹ́ẹ̀. Why did you do that? Kílódé tó ṣe bẹ́ẹ̀. Kílódé tó ṣe bẹ́ẹ̀. Ṣé dandan ni? Is it necessary? Actually, sometimes you translate this as well to say, is it necessary? Is it mandatory? Is it compulsory? It's used in that way as well. But for now, we'll just use it as, is it necessary? Ṣé dandan ni? Ṣé dandan ni? Ṣé ọ̀ranyàn ni? Is it compulsory? Ọ̀ranyàn is just another way to say whether something is compulsory or mandatory. So you can use this one as an alternative to the previous phrase. Ṣé ọ̀ranyàn ni? Ṣé ọ̀ranyàn ni? Is it compulsory? Fún kíni? For what? Almost like you're asking, for what? For what reason? Fún kíni. This one is quite commonly used as well. Fún kíni. Fún kíni. For what? Ṣé kò sí? Hope there's nothing wrong. Ṣé kò sí literally means almost like hope there isn't anything there. Like hope there isn't anything happening present. But this is the translation. Ṣé kò sí. Ṣé kò sí. Hope there's nothing wrong. Ṣé o gbọ́dọ̀ ṣe? Must he or she or it do it? I might have mentioned in previous videos around pronouns. I'll probably try and do a video on that. So the pronoun for, he, she, it is the same in Yoruba. Ṣé o gbọ́dọ̀ ṣe é? Ṣé o gbọ́dọ̀ ṣe? Must he, she, or it do it? Ṣé o ní láti ṣe? Does he, she, it have to do it? This is another way to kind of insist, like, is it necessary? Does that person have to do it? Ṣé o ní láti ṣe é? Ṣé o ní láti ṣe é? Ta ló pa á láṣẹ? Who commanded it so? Talo is a contracted form of tani, any, tio. So talo pàṣẹ is to place an authority or a command of something. Talo pa á láṣẹ. Talo pa á láṣẹ. Who commanded it so? Kí ni ìdí? What is the reason? Kini is what, ìdí is reason. So ìdí here is homonym. If you know body parts in Yoruba, you probably know what ìdí also means. Kini ìdí. Kini ìdí. What is the reason? Nítorí kíni. Because of what? Nítorí means because, and kíni, as I mentioned just now, means what. So because of what? Nítorí kíni. Nítorí kíni. Because of what? This video is a bit of a quicker one, but hopefully you learned some new phrases that maybe you haven't heard before. So enjoy having a play learning those ones. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to the YouTube channel, make sure you do. I'm releasing videos in a moment, weekly, so you can get caught up on the Yoruba lessons if you're interested in learning Yoruba language and culture. Odabo, bye.